Today, I will share how to make a faceless travel video in just 5 minutes using CapCut and ChatGPT. Start by generating a name for your YouTube channel using chatgpt.com. Then create your script. Transfer it to Google Docs for easy access. Next, go to CapCut.com, choose Script to Video, and within seconds, your video will be ready. Download the video, and you're all set to upload. It's that simple. Remember, success is just one step away. Stay consistent, keep learning, and watch your channel grow. Welcome to WonderVision. Today, we're exploring 10 hidden gems from around the world. These stunning, lesser-known destinations offer unforgettable experiences beyond typical tourist spots. Let's get started. First, the stunning beaches of Palawan, Philippines. With crystal-clear waters and dramatic limestone cliffs, Palawan is a peaceful paradise for those seeking solitude. Whether snorkeling or relaxing by the shore, this place promises tranquility and natural beauty. Next is the Black Forest in Germany. Known for its fairy tale-like landscapes and dense woods, this magical region is perfect for hikers and nature enthusiasts. Wander misty trails, explore quaint villages, and let the forest's serene energy embrace you. Hidden in Chile is the mesmerizing Atacama Desert. With its salt flats, volcanoes, and vast dunes, the Atacama Desert looks like another world. Ideal for stargazing and photography, it's a must-visit for those looking for adventure and solitude. Deep in Mexico's jungle, you'll find Calakmul, a Mayan city with fewer crowds than other popular archaeological sites. Explore towering pyramids surrounded by lush greenery for a unique historical experience. Next, we visit Cinque Terre, Italy, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Cinque Terre is made up of 5 charming villages along the Italian Riviera. Famous for its colorful buildings, stunning coastal views, and fresh seafood, this place is perfect for a relaxed getaway. On the border of Peru and Bolivia lies Lake Titicaca, the world's highest navigable lake. Surrounded by snow-capped mountains, its serene waters reflect breathtaking views, and its floating islands offer cultural experiences with the Euros people. Danska Javnica in Slovakia is a hidden gem filled with medieval charm. This UNESCO-listed town, once a major mining hub, boasts cobblestone streets, quaint squares, and beautiful Baroque churches. For nature lovers, the Krka waterfalls in Croatia or a peaceful retreat. Turquoise waters cascade over limestone cliffs, creating a tranquil atmosphere perfect for swimming or simply enjoying nature's beauty. In the Albanian Alps, the village of Theth offers rugged peaks and traditional life. A remote gem, it's ideal for hiking and immersing yourself in untouched natural beauty. Finally, we end in the Azores, Portugal. Known for volcanic lakes, green valleys, and scenic cliffs, the Azores remain unspoiled by commercialization. It's the perfect place to connect with nature and recharge. These 10 hidden gems show that there's so much more to explore beyond popular destinations. From history and nature to peaceful retreats, these spots promise memories that will last a lifetime. So, where will your next adventure take you? Thanks for watching. If you loved these hidden gems, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more travel inspiration. Until next time, happy travels!